Yeah, we have a family. The best family.
Oh, shit.
I see Tesla in your future, Gary. I don't know what you mean by that, Gary. I see Tesla in your future. Like, I'll buy some Tesla? Is that what you mean? All right, 208 for GameStop. Again, I want to... Let's continue this uptrend. If we're going to continue this uptrend headed into midday into power hour, I'm happy. I'm happy. Let's hold above 200. AMC is still between this range here at 1450 and some support right around 1430. Let's just wait. Let's just wait. Ralph, are you 23 years old? Yes. I am 23. Years ago, 10% gain on a year was a baller. Now it's a good day. Now we're seeing 10%, 20%, 30 every day. Who here has had the craziest percentage return? I want to hear it. I want to see that percentage. That's why I love these stocks, AMC and GameStop, guys. I'll literally die watching paint dry if I put 50% in Coca-Cola. Like, the stock is literally stuck at $50. Look at this, $50.80. This is not fun to me. I love the roller coaster. I love the stocks. I love the culture. Show me some swings, man. 13,000% on Tesla calls in November. I had 1,078% INKW, 340% AMC. 23 years ago, Sperm made an AMC fan. If GameStop hits 1,000 and I am still holding, I will tattoo Ralph to the moon on my butt. Someone screenshot that. Because I still don't know how to screenshot on my PC. I'm a retarded ape. Midday and Power Hour were completely different. Yeah, Power Hour, Tom Brady usually comes through fourth quarter. Usually 30 minutes early or 30 minutes late. Maybe even in the fourth quarter. So let's be patient. Most far was Cardano and ADA. I'm trying to get in crypto, man. Like I said, guys, those of you that just tuned in, I want to have some of you guys on YouTube on Sundays. Just bringing some due diligence, chill vibes, very chill vibes, laid back on Sunday. So I want to have some of you guys on. I plug in the Discord, hop in there. I want to do cryptos on the weekends. Yes, GameStop. Guys, we're breaking out on GameStop. We are having that V recovery here at 211. AMC, follow along. Literally, I envisioned it. You guys saw that? The V? This is what is happening. Orders piling on GameStop. Ooh, my hands are getting sweaty. Tequila Sundays, maybe, yeah. That's a good idea, right? Because markets are closed, I can't make stupid buys. I can't YOLO everything on GameStop, AMC, Tesla. Tesla, you guys see this? The Wumbo? I see a W here. Very choppy, very odd. Oh, I see. Oh, this V is just so beautiful. Oh, yes! You know what the V, you know what is the V? What? Last Sunday was super chill, yeah. Sundays, guys. You guys have some time on the weekends. I know Sundays, I don't want to speak about it on YouTube, but very chill. My wife's boyfriend's sister says GameStop AMC to the moon. I'm surprised, like, how this push here is not helping AMC out. It's pretty much here still within this range at 1440. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. That's one thing we have not peeped. So we're above EMA, guys. We're back above EMA on the 5-minute after the scary drop here to 198. The key here is holding above 209, guys. 209. Like it's the opposite. It's happening. It's the opposite right now for AMC, guys, and GameStop. Pulling back. Let it cool off. We're still green on both stocks for the day. AMC is looking like Coca-Cola, just moving sideways, right? But again, we're still having the uptrend. It did not hold the 1435 range. Give it some time. Let's see where we bounce off of. Let's see these new levels of support. But again, when in doubt, you zoom out. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this uptrend. This is so beautiful. You can see this breakout on this cup and handle forming. It's coming. Just be patient. GameStop is holding above 209. This green candle after the first initial red candle on the pullback. Usually these pullbacks are 2 to 3 red candles. So let's not get too excited here at 211 for GameStop. But if this candle does break out at 212, we could possibly test 213. So let's see it. Don't tell me this is going to crab walk all around 1450 today. I would rather have it crab walk at 1450 than pull back and test some new support. But then again, testing some new support, always it's not bad. It's not bad. Once GameStop closes above 220, I guess it would be a good sign. Above 220s, we're still, let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, above 220s would definitely be still in the game. Definitely still have higher lows on the 1 hour. Very beautiful uptrend if we do still close above 220 for GameStop. Gemini, I have to go to work. See you at 3:45 p.m. Have a great day. Thank you so much. I'll see you. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you so much. Tesla, what is Tesla at? 5K walls at 1225. Let's see. $4 million volume on GameStop compared to 46 million on AMC. Can you shout out Randy and Danny? Randy and Danny, watching them stonks. Do you guys have paper hands or diamond hands? I want to hear that. And what are you holding? What are you trading? What is Randy and Danny trading? Shout out to you guys. Welcome to the Ape Squad. The value for 46 million compared to 4 million on GameStop. Talk about a volume swap. I DM'd you. Okay. Yeah, thank you guys for sharing the information. Oh, it makes it easier. It makes it super easier and faster to get information. So thank you guys so much. Philip, I don't know if you're a bot or you're a real person that's trolling me, but we have some bots in here apparently. Guys, we're pulling back on AMC. GameStop testing the EMA here. I wasn't too sold here on this bounce here at 211 on this first green candle. Usually they're followed by 2 to 3 consecutive red candles before we test EMA. So like I said, we're testing 209, 210 here for GameStop. Again, beautiful uptrend, beautiful V recovery on GameStop for AMC. I don't know what to call this. This looks like an upside down cup and handle, guys. It's like an inverted cup and handle. Very interesting, but we're still above $14. Again, we're at this weird time of day where we usually crab sideways, but give it some time, baby. KE, these are the things I thought I would never hear myself say if it wasn't for Ralph. Not sure if that's a compliment, man. I appreciate that. I don't understand that though. I'm a little confused. Remember, I have a smooth brain. Or George W. This is not a W. This is an inverted cup and handle. I think that's one of the funniest sayings. the George W. Oh yeah, guys. Let me see.
Very good sell out right there. Go down to 1420. Come back. Well, that sucks. Come on, bitches. Fucking spreads on it. 1428. There ain't nothing there holding you back. Come on. $15 one's gonna be a tough one though. I just can't hold these motherfuckers down, I promise you. AMC ain't nothing to mess around with. Oh! I'm out. It's fucking nuts, dude. Fucking nuts. Roll back up. That was quick, too. Yeah, I'd like to get up to the $18. Especially this call I got. Actually, break.
Coupon raffle. What is wrong with you? Chipotle any day over Chick-fil-A. Way better than Chick-fil-A. Shake Shack overrated. Truly overrated. Come on, GameStop. Still at 213, guys. You guys see this uptrend? So beautiful. Now we're just patiently waiting. Patiently waiting for that return to 1445 on AMC and 216 on GameStop. Roaring Coomer, big fan. Thank you. Welcome. Roaring Coomer. I like that name. In and out 4x4. It's too small, man. Too small. 4x4 is too small. If Chipotle can do it, AMC can do it. AMC to 1,000. Yeah, Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays. 211. Let's take a look at the 5 minute. I think we're testing EMA one more time. EMA on the 5 minutes at 210. We have some cushion to pull back and bounce off of that support. Give it some time, guys. Give it some time. I'm at least trying to hold green on GameStop right now. Let's hold green. Rob is a Coomer. EXPR. Express. Why did it just change on that? Let me see.
Next ring is distant.
I didn't get anything. Oh.
They had earnings, right? This is not bad. I like the stock. Let me set my alert just in case. Are you into this on EXPR? Oh, it's still pushing. You guys see this uptrend here? Such a beautiful technical breakout here at 508. Would I chase it up here? Absolutely not. It's still taking new highs. I would not chase it though. I'd probably wait for like $5. I set my alert at 505. Tesla. GameStop testing that trend line. Opposite time. GameStop pulls back here on the 1 minute. It's AMC's turn to push up again. We're back in this range here at 1438, guys. Red Dragon, I gotta go to school now. Love your stuff. AMC 21000. Thank you so much, Red Dragon, for tuning in. Good luck at school. Whataburger is the Tesla of fast food? You mean overpriced? Oh, someone just tweeted about the gamma squeeze on EXPR, and we just covered EXPR right now. Will Mead. Gamma squeeze on EXPR, very interesting. The stock that fits all the same criteria of GameStop is EXPR. All right, I got a little FOMO there. EXPR $1.18, like GameStop, had a share price of under $5. It just received $140 million in financing from hedge fund Sycamore Partners and Wells Fargo. So both GME and EXPR had backing from a hedge fund, a retail brand name that could turn around. All right, EXPR has cash per share of 1.63 above its share price to sales of a 0.6, similar to GameStop before the big run. Short interest is 13%. EXPR was $10 in 2018. Keep this on watch, guys. Very interesting. Gamma squeezing EXPR today, tweeted 13 minutes ago. I'm having FOMO. Oh, if this pushes up, it could possibly hit like $7. But then again, I'm scared to chase it here. You know what? Let's see. EXPR is a distraction? Rob likes Chipotle because they sell beer? I think they do, right? They don't sell White Claws, though. Chester says, my boss literally walked in while I'm watching your stream and working. He said, what are you doing? I'm like, I'm watching numbers go up and down. And he said, ape strong together.
Hello.
Hey,
Hey.
yesterday, like sick-wise?
He was fussy when I got him out to bring him home, but other than that, he was fine.
Okay, because the daycare just messaged me and said that he's been fussy again, and he's got a cough and coughing up mucus.
He wasn't coughing the mucus up yesterday, but
And I mean, I've heard a little cough, but nothing like a nasty cough.
do they want me to come get him or something?
Well, I messaged her and said, do you want me to come get him? She hasn't messaged me back yet. But I just didn't know how he was yesterday. I know that he was fussy whenever
When
we dropped him off.
and I thought that was just because he was tired because he didn't have a nap all day either. They said at daycare he didn't have a nap.
Yeah, as soon as I got him in the house, I gave him a bath with that vapor stuff, and then he went straight to bed, but he was fine and laughing and everything this morning, and I gave him allergy medicine, so I've been giving that to him every day because I think it's allergies.
It could, and the weather's so crazy right now, so.
Oh, yeah. Okay, if I'm waiting for her to message me back. If I have to go get him, I'll let you know to come get him here, and then if it continues, I'll have to take him to the doctor or something. But I think it's just allergy.
I don't. It's nothing that I thought I seen yesterday that would concern me. I mean, he got fussy. When he got fussy, he started. You know what I mean? He got, clogged up and stuff because he was crying so much.
Yeah,
I literally had to stop. I literally had to stop the car and get him out of the car seat for like a couple minutes because he was wailing that hard. Yeah, he was. I had stopped the car and got him out and got him sat in the passenger seat up in the front, and sat with him for a minute and rocked him for a little while. He was so tired.
Okay. Let me see what she says. All right. But she bred it, but she hasn't messaged me back yet. If I go get him, I'll let you know if you need to come him up here. But I just didn't know. I just wanted to check and see how he was yesterday. All right.
All right. Well, just let me know what they say.
All right.
All right, bye.
Bye.
What? Telling you apes are going worldwide, man. We are a strong community. Ralph, stop saying Tesla. Just like RKT.
How's it not kill him?
Anyone here still in Roblox? Trading Roblox? I forgot about that stock. Ooh, 72. What did it hit, like 80 something? 92. I'll maybe catch a falling knife on this one. Maybe. Don't stop saying Tesla. Roblox. Roblox is dip. Roblox me holding. Still too high for me. What the heck is a Tesla? Someone explain. My buy for Roblox is 67. Yeah, I said my alert. I wanted to catch that falling knife actually. Maybe for a day trade. Tesla. What's up with NFTs? Anyone here to buy Top Shot NBA? The NBA NFTs, those are going insane. Like you'll have a digital card of LeBron James having a dunk go for like $36,000. That's epic. Tesla equals ape Tesla. I think someone sold an NFT of a house. Imagine buying a digital house you don't even own, having a mortgage on a digital house you don't even own. It's digital. You can't walk in there. You can't see it. That just blows my mind. It went for like $1 million, I think. You're gonna get a Tesla tattoo of AMC is 200. Someone screenshot Junior. I'm holding you up to that. Tesla tattoo on my arm if AMC is 200. What? I'm gonna tweet at Elon. Let's see, I might get a reply, and if I do, Victor replied, Prepare for the popcorn. AMC opened up 90% of theaters Friday. I'm thrilled. I can't wait. 211 for GameStop. Still testing that higher support trend line here. AMC as well. Still dangling. We're pretty much crabbing, guys. Not a lot of action going on here on AMC and GameStop. Let's be patient. Chill vibes right now, actually. Let's wait for some action. 15K subs today? I don't know. Yeah, PS5 giveaway for sure, though. I just don't know if I should start already getting my hands on one. We're so close to 15K. Let's see. We're at 14,662. We hit 420 likes on the stream. Let's go, baby. Yeah, Top Shots are getting crazy. LeBron for 100K. Yeah, 100K for a LeBron 3-point swoosh. That's insane. The thing is, I think it's in a bubble. Call me crazy, but I think it's in a bubble. Tesla dipped. Did futures just pull back? Futures are dangling near the lows, guys. No, I'm still waiting for a bigger dip. Rob, you have a PS5 plug? Yeah, I've had a lot of emails. And I have a couple friends who have like a couple PS5s. David, you're still here, right, David? Thank you for those Reddit articles. I'll read them after the stream. What do you guys think the short interest is for GameStop? I want to hear your guys' thoughts. Give me a number. Someone did some due diligence that GameStop was at 190% short interest yesterday. $250%? I don't know. Or 28%, 5,200. I was thinking that, Mike. 140. That was my number in my head. Check out Ehor on Twitter. He knows. Ehor, let me see. Yeah, S3. Ehor from S3 Partners. I freed up $500 of buying power. Where do I put it? I can't answer that question for you, but I have some cash on the side just to cash some Tesla. Yeah, Ehor's very bullish on an AMC squeeze. Yeah, Fidelity had a weird prediction of AMC hitting 990 days. I don't know about that, though. 990 days? Now you have to ask yourself, sometimes with these crazy price targets like 2,000, like, just be real with yourself. Like, if AMC, you woke up and it was at $100, how many of you would sell and take profits at $100? How many of you would probably sell half? Or how many of you would hold? That's the thing. Like, it's easy to say now because AMC's at $14, but when that time comes and it's there, it's very different. It's very different. There's no way to see short interest on Thinkorswim. No, I don't think so. Not that I know of. Not me. I would sell half. I'd sell, hold. Paper hands are off me at 35 shares. Hold. Half. That paid off for a lot of people. Yeah, you gotta keep in mind where everyone's in a different financial position. That's the thing. There's nothing wrong with that. I would sell 1/3. You could possibly sell 1/2 of it. You could also be buying the dips too. That's the thing. Sell 200, but at 100 shares, 100 is a log, 50 is a stop loss. This channel is rigged if you sell at 100. What would I do? I feel like at $100, I would already have increased my position. So I would possibly lock in half of profits there and ride the rest. But I'll be buying on the way down too. Because there's going to be pullbacks. And I'll be buying the dips. Yeah, I just give you my honest answer what I would do. That's what I would do. Yeah, that also depends how fast it gets there. How long is it going to take to get there? And that's it, guys. That's the thing with me. At core, I'm a day trader. As cringy as that sounds, like that's why it's very hard for me to hold positions like long. Like this GameStop and AMC situation is very different from what I do, what I'm used to. If you go back to my January videos and you watch all my videos, every single position I took on Tesla, I day traded the heck out of Tesla in December and January. I just day trading in Tesla, buying the dips, selling the rips. Every single day I recapped my profits. So that's why it's very different, this whole GameStop and AMC situation. I was even day trading GameStop when it was at $70. I was even catching, and it was making me a couple hundred, like $300-400. I was like, damn, because the volatility was insane. These dips were getting bound. It was just crazy. My smooth brain would buy $200 calls. Tesla has amazing swings, guys. Tesla fell to 539 and it shot to 700. Like that's money right there. How much money do you have to have in Thinkorswim to day trade without a limit? 25K. Any broker, 25,000. That's called the pattern day trading rule. You have to have over $25,000 in your account to be able to day trade. Ralph has paper hands. That's just me keeping it real with you guys. I don't want to mislead people. I don't want to lie to people. So that's what I would do. And like I said, I'll still buy the dips. I even got spooked on, guys. The first position I had on AMC. Can someone guess where I bought it at? This was before anything of this happened. That's why it blows my mind how far it's come. How many trades can you execute in a week? It's 3 per 5-day period. I was taking like 20 trades a day for Tesla. And that's the thing. What works for me is not going to work for a lot of you guys. And what works for you guys might not work for me. Everyone has a different trading strategy. That's why I love the markets. Look, right now we're still wedging. I mean, we're still trading sideways here on AMC. Not a lot going on. But we're still waiting. $3, $4, no. Yep, you got it right. Renegan, 214. I was buying AMC at $2.50. I put a... Let's see, where is it at? I put it out December 24. I'll link it right here really quick. That's it. Look, I said buying one share of AMC stock will cost you $2.51. That's less than the candy bar at the actual theater. Buy and hold for 10 years. Thank me later. December 24th, 11:24 a.m. It just made sense to me. This play made sense to me.
I'm literally this hair, this face. Oh, come on. Science rules all. With its help, we will too.
This is your champion.
You all ready for the aux train?
Price target 400. What price would you buy Tesla at? The first time around, I made a mistake on Tesla by buying so fast, so early. Yeah, I did not know the market was going to bleed day after day and pull back. And I got kind of spooked. I'm like, you know what? If it comes down even more, I'm going to double down. And it went to like 560s before it gapped up and it shot up. So it shot up too fast. I was expecting a rebound to be aggressive, but not that aggressive that quick. So I had sold. I was down like $600 on Tesla. And I barely got out with like 700 profit. But if I would have waited, I would have made $5,000. You had wrinkles on your brain back then?
Placing gas trap.
First blood.
First blood.
Yeah, my smooth brain was working back then. That's why it's good to buy in slowly sometimes. Yeah, I thought I was buying slowly. I was buying 5 shares of Tesla every time it came down, and I guess I got stuck at a bad average. In case it keeps going down, you have cash left to average down. Yeah, that's exactly what I was doing. This quantity of stocks matters since the how much you can buy with GameStop and AMC is very different. I don't understand the wording of it. You mean like shares? Shareways? Because one thing when I first started trading that made sense to me was buying penny stocks. I started with penny stocks. Why? Because I had a smaller portfolio. I said, my smooth brain back then was like, okay, this stock is cheaper. I could buy more shares. More shares equals more money if it moves, right? Makes sense. That's why I think people are going to gravitate towards more to AMC. Now that it's at $14 compared to $200 on GameStop. But I've just gotten used to day trading Tesla so much. I know how many shares I should buy and how much I would lose if it pulls back a certain amount, or if it shoots up a certain amount. I'll know in my head, okay, at this price, this is probably this profit. If it comes down here, I'll probably be down this much. If I buy 5, 10, 15 more shares, I'll be here. So, but this is shares. I don't do options. The reason I don't trade options is because I had a bad play. I lost like 6 figures, and guys, don't get into options if you don't know what you're doing. Options are very risky. Very risky. GameStop tweeted, let's reply to them. We like the stock. And since then, I've never touched options again. Alright, pulling back. GameStop 209. Again, we're at the weird odd time of day. AMC's still holding in there on the ascending triangle, so be very patient. Staying away from options, yeah. That happened last February, and I did not trade till this December that just passed, 2020. It's such a bad. I never want to wish anything upon anybody, but then again, I do in a good way. I wish somebody or you guys a loss that makes you realize and makes you focus. Because if it weren't for that loss, I had crazy good months, December and January, day trading Tesla. I found my strategy that works for me after that loss. You lost 6 figures from your own money? Own money. Not if it was margin calls, I would probably not be here right now. Like, that loss caused me so much pain, I did not trade for like months. I was scared. It's like learning to walk again. I was so scared to trade. And it's like, if I imagine I would have quit, that's why you never quit in life. Never give up. I would have quit. If I would have quit that day, I would not be here. You would not be watching me right now. It's like your first car accident. Yeah, it's like you can't even cry at that point. You just feel like a part of your soul dies. I saw on Reddit, man, it was trending. I think someone lost 500K. cannot imagine that. Like, I know that feeling. It's like, you know. Why does the day trading rule exist? For that same reason. For that same reason, to not blow up your account. That's why it was put in place. Yeah, that guy who took his life, Robinhood, is so liable for that 700K loss, and I don't think he was even down 700K. Yeah, someone lost 500K yesterday. The thing is with options is the time decay, the expiration. I was such a retard. That mistake, guys. Hear this out. That mistake of not knowing the time decay and understanding how they could expire worthless cost me 60 grand. If I would have known, hey, this contract, if you hold it over the weekend, it's gonna expire, probably worthless, sell it now, that would have saved me 60 grand. If I would have known that. But stupid. All it took is a click of a button and I would have saved 60K. Such an idiot. And now it's just, no, that was only lessons. Yeah, everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Now that I look back, that's the best thing that has ever happened to me in my life. That loss. What if you're holding? No, I was holding puts, man. I was holding like crazy. I literally went all in. See if I could log into my Robinhood. It was a Robinhood too. Damn it, Robinhood crashed. That following Monday, Robinhood crashed. So I couldn't even sell. It crashed for 2 days. Anyone remember last March? Robinhood crashed for 2 days in a row. Everyone, it's so insane because people went on, what's it called, LinkedIn? They looked up the coder or the developer of Robinhood. They were sending them death threats. A lot of people lost money. The people who held calls got so lucky because the market kept going up. They literally made money on the way up. But the people who held puts like me, I had puts on the SPY, the index, they got clapped. And people were sending them death threats, and it was just crazy. How do I log in? Yeah, just know what you're getting into. I know it's all like Reddit jokes about it a lot. These people losing crazy amounts of money, they're making crazy amounts of money. But options, I'm pretty sure you've heard options. Oh, you can make money faster on options. Yeah, that's true. You can, but you could lose money as fast. Like that. When I had loss on the puts, I had made money with those puts before. So I just kept going. I'm like, you know what? This is my luck. I kept running the luck. The market kept coming down. The whole Rona caused the market to crash. So I kept running my luck until that luck ran out. It ran out. You know who clapped me? Mr. Powell. The Fed wrecked me. The Fed said, hey, we're gonna print money nonstop. We're gonna pour more money into the markets, and shot up, and I got clapped. GameStop still at 211. Welcome to the casino. Yeah, man, bulls make money. Guys, bulls make money, bears make money, but pigs get slaughtered. I was so greedy. It was just greediness, man. I could have walked away with 100K profit. And I got greedy. Imagine making that in a day and it's so stupid. 1437 AMC. I sold my sundial. sorry about that rant. I know I kind of went off right there, just off topic, ranting. All right, we're back at the range, guys. 1440 for AMC. GameStop is still looking promising here. At 211. Let's take a look at the 5-minute. Above EMA, that's beautiful. Above EMA, that is beautiful. Let's cup and handle back to 216. Let me set my alert. 216, 215, right around there. We're showing these shorts of, I'm sure. This is the Wendy's. Yeah, if there's one lesson from that, just make sure you know what you're doing. Make sure you know your risk. That's it, risk. If you learn how to manage your risk, you'll always be in the markets. Now we're waiting for GameStop to push here and cup and handle to 215. Let me see it. Testing SMA one more time. AMC's back at 1414. We're 1440. We're in that range still. Again, very odd time of the day. Trading sideways. If you still have $18 predictions for AMC, I do. I still think that's my price target. So far we've been right, but I think this is a hard one here. We have 2 trading this day and tomorrow, and we're at 14, so we got to go to 18. Let's see. You guys really want a helmet, right, for the suit? Should you get board credit on the cruise lines? Really? Carnival cruise lines? Are you trolling me? 29. This one has been a pretty decent recovery play as well. I thought this would never recover, honestly. Carnival. Anybody here holding Carnival? Knowledge is everything in the market. I think the most important overlooked thing is risk management. That's it. Having a plan. Dan, Trey totally follows you. That's pretty sweet. Does he really? I appreciate that. I appreciate him. Trey's a good guy, man. He deserves all his success. Trey's very smart, guys. Trey's...
Support, it is just broken away, gapped away from that previous level. I would say that this is a new one. So if it pulls back here to about $12, that's what you're looking at as an entry point. But I'll let you know. We'll come back to it. AMC, as we're sitting right now, we'll come back to this. It is currently sitting at, let's find out the price, $14.40. Just waiting to see if it's going to break that 1451 mark. Level 2's, it's got a huge incremental penny by penny short wall that is trying to hold this down. That is a picture-perfect short wall and a battle of the bulge, a battle of the buyers and the sellers, the buyers and the shorters, and we're still holding up very strong. We need that push over 1450, and it should bring some great price action. My friends, my family, I really do think this is pretty heavily shorted today. Pretty freaking nuts. I am waiting to see how she plays. I haven't missed your super chat, LD and DXB. I'm reading these in order. It's just taking a long time. Sundial's the RC Cola of the weed, dude. Thank you, Packer. I'm glad somebody said it. I'm glad somebody said, hey, fellow veteran, just launched a new channel today. Not looking for a handout, but thought it would be cool if you were my first sub. Proceeds going to PTSD Foundation of America. Thanks, AMC is ripe. Slightly trading. I'll check that out, man. I'm all for it. I'm all for helping out the common person, the common investor, dude. That's what it's all about. Slightly trading. You're live right now. All in on GME for March 19th. Is this it? I'm not sure if this is you. I'm guessing so. We'll throw you a sub, man. Power to you. I like that gorilla, man. That's all I need. All I need to see is that freaking gorilla. One watching. Went all in on GME for March 19 call. I'll be building a new army of traders, and if I blow my account up, I will be starting fresh, and we will come up as one. There you go. All for a good cause, brother. I appreciate that. Hey, Trey, Litter Channel, I have a $15 call option expiring on 4/16. If AMC goes over $15 before the set date, should I exercise my option or sell it? Personally, I would sell, unless you're trying to lower your overall dollar cost average. JFin got halted, I've seen in the chat bar, by the way. How long do you think this will take for the DTCC to step in for the FTDs? It's really hard to say. They've got 60 days to respond to that, from what I know. The SEC does. JFin down. Oh, it tanked. It hammered down real quick there. So that's what we have for a new level of support, a steady level. But wait and see how she does. It got halted. So too much of a move. It dropped way too much too fast, and that's why I got halted, to protect from volatility. So that's what you're seeing right now. Typically when you see halts like this, what I've noticed is it'll hammer down really fast, really hard with the first 5 to 10 seconds, and then it'll climb back up immediately after. So you can make a quick dip buy in and out on those same like 5-10 seconds, but that's really risky. Really crazy risky. So be careful with those. You gotta have trigger fingers like in and out fast if you want to play something like that. So take that for what it is. Within a second. Yeah, they happens fast, man. When they've got this much volume and volatility pumping. I mean, look at the volume on this. 1.2 million. It's trading at $13. So that's a lot of liquidity getting pumped into this thing. AMC sitting at 1438, 1439, just a little bit sideways, a little bit flat. We're waiting to see for that push over 1450. We just have some huge buyers and sellers just on both sides of the coin right now. The bid of the ask, pretty much equal, even Steven. It is what it is. Randy, thank you for that. Everybody say with me, release the Kraken. You know what it is, man. That's too good. That's too good. We've got 13,600 people watching right now. I freaking love the fact that we've got so many people watching. This is sick. DFN is the new JFin, people are saying. I think JFin might still have some room to run. I'm going to be honest with you. I don't know which DFN you're talking about. Maybe this one? That's up 1%. No, that's definitely not it. I don't know what you're talking about, man. I don't see it. All right. Hey, Trey, is it better to buy the ask at the current price, or should I buy the price at the biggest sell wall? Good question. Personally, I like buying it as cheap as I possibly can, but if you're trying to push over a sell wall, then you can do it that way for sure. But you need to have like 5,000 shares to be able to push through those sell walls, man. That would take a lot of liquidity. A lot of liquidity for sure. Bought my first ever options contracts, 2 contracts, 1450, 319. Wishing you luck, man. Wishing you luck, Chad. Seriously, I think we're going to push over 1450 today, but it's tough to say. It's tough to say. Like the button. You know your stuff, Trey. Thank you, Jack. Hold, hodl on. Trey deserves 30K viewers at all times. Dude, I've never had that. I think the most viewers I've ever had on a live stream was 20,000 at one time. But that was insane. That was absolutely mind-blowing. I couldn't believe that. That was when AMC first made its crazy move, and I was at like 20,000 subs. So I was like, wow, all my subs are watching right now. Back when I knew almost nothing about YouTube. I think a lot of people don't realize that I started the channel back in mid-December of 2020. All right, so let me just take a quick look at this. So I'm just going to respond to Andrew really quick. I'll send a restream link, let's say, around 11:30 a.m. CST. So about an hour. So we'll bring Andrew on in about an hour or so. See how she's rocking. T-Cat on a tear, people are saying. We'll come back and check her out again.
You know what up, Bird?
She bottomed out at about $24. So that had an engulfing candlestick pattern. It bottomed out right here. Next level of resistance that you're looking at is going to be right around this level at about $29.29. So you're watching for a break over that. If not, you can take some profits if you got it at $24 and rinse and repeat. That's a beautiful thing about these volatile stocks, guys, is that you can just keep on hammering them as long as there's interest interest and volatility in them. When you become a bag holder is when you lose that volume because there's just not enough people to drive the price back up to get the price to where you maybe bought in at. So that's what you're waiting for, guys. Release the Kraken. I see people saying it, but we're not there yet. We got to get to that 13K. 13K likes is where we release the Kraken, baby. All right, Trey, VSTO is moving. I like it for long, too. So I probably missed out on that run, unfortunately. It's so tough to keep up. But it did have a good little push. It pushed, for sure. Not enough volume to continue, but it did have a nice run from 32 up to 35 bucks. I don't know what this company does long term. It looks like they're consumer cyclicals. Oh, people have been telling me about VSTO. I think they've run a lot, haven't they? Yeah, they've had some good moves, for sure. I don't mind them as a long-term company. I think they've got good potential, for sure. At least the price action. Trey, thank you for all the info. It's very helpful. No problem, John. I'm all here for you. All here for you. Eyes got halted. Did it get halted on the way up? That's the big thing. Is it halted on the way up? 1522? I don't think it's halted, is it? No, it's still moving. It's still moving, you silly chicken. God, if people bought in when I told them to get in at 1450 on the Discord, God, that made me so pumped. Oh, just dirty. Just dirty. This is too easy, guys. This is too easy. I gotta check. I gotta make a poll. We gotta check this out because that was just disgusting. You could not have planned that better. You could not have made a better buy there. Oh, that's good. Hope people were able to buy that 1450 dip on eyes. You'd be up about $1 per share already. Cowabunga, it is.
I don't fear him.
There we go, baby.
Say the same?
There we go. AGCC is running, people are saying. How much? She's at 608. I wouldn't quite call that running, but it's definitely going up, which is good. Not a bad thing to see by any means. I absolutely like that for sure. If that went up to $7, I would be one happy chicken, but we'll take it $1 at a time for sure. All right, Trey, what do you think is a good entry point for MVIS? Which growth catalyst do you see? They've got their automotive LiDAR presentation coming up in April, coming up very, very soon. Personally, I liked it at $15. I think that was a good price entry point, $15.50 yesterday. It seems like today's going to be a green day for tech. Tech is not doing bad. We're going to look at Exxon as well. Exxon also green. So typically tech all moves in the same sort of fashion, the same movements. So I would watch that. NASDAQ, I think, is still red today, down about 1.8%, unfortunately. Look at these on the daily candles. Yeah, just a little bit red. It looks like we may have a continuation of a downward trend, but we'll see. We'll wait it out and see what happens. What's good, YouTube? Big Don's just texting me back. I like it. I dig it. That's good stuff. Dude, I love it. Cowabunga it is. 15K likes and tries to start on OnlyFans. Catch it. He just shows us his gain and losses all the time. I dig it. That's funny. That's gold. Thanks, man. I don't know about that, but maybe if you're lucky. Maybe if you're lucky. He might hop on. We'll see. Big Daz, when are you free? We can have you on whenever. I'll be on till 3 p.m. CST. So Big Daz might hop on at some point today. Pretty good stuff. There we go. All right. Where was I? Oh, I unlocked my Twitter. So it's Naya K0520. So I can go here and check that out now. Thank you to that. I appreciate it. So copy. We'll come over here to Twitter. Put that sucker in. I've got way too many tabs open, so I gotta close out of some of this stuff. Alright, so here we go. Coming into her, baby. Here we go. Somebody told me that freaking Rory K's Twitter got shut down. What a goofball. Who was that? Silly chicken. Alright, so what was it that you wanted me to check out? Email from Robinhood. The attendees. Huh. I'm not sure what you're referring to. Maybe it was a message? Maybe it's under here. Check this out. The date they chose is very interesting. There it is. AMC Theaters have 98% of its U.S. locations open beginning Friday, Monday. There it is. There it is. That's good. That's a good thing to see. That's a good thing to see. I dig that. I dig that. Good thing to share. Good thing to share, baby. There we go. There we go. I'm digging it. Absolutely. Absolutely. Sitting at 1437 right now. AMC is still doing that trading sideways thing. Just winding up. Getting ready to see what she does. What do we have here in terms of price action? Big fat disformed sloth looking George W. But she's winding up. Trading into this really tight price zone between, I would look at 1429 and I would say 1441. So if we get a break over 1441, if we finally get that move, I think it should come with a pretty hard push for 1450. However, there's just a huge freaking sell wall between 1440 and 45. I mean, that's shorting to a T. These incremental penny spreads on the ask is exactly what's holding the price down. We need a big buyer, some sort of whale to come in and just freaking push this thing. That'd be nasty. That would be nasty. Huge news, baby. You know what it is? All right. Hey, Trey, loyal, long-time UK sub. Love your energy vibe story. Love my Gorilla Gang. LA family. Holly, 2KMC 10 GME. Is there any way you can show some love to Baby Brothers? First clothing brand, Rona destroyed him. It's LDN DXB. Sure can. LDN DXB. I don't know what this is. Oh, cool. So if you want to check that out, it's right here for you guys. LDN DXB. I haven't bought clothes in a long time besides the Gorilla stuff, the Gorilla Gang gear that I got, but this looks pretty nice. It's trendy. I like simple clothes, and this looks freaking simple, and yeah, I don't mind that at all. If you guys want to check that out, feel free to do so. Right here for you. I'm a Godzilla girl. Prophet. The prophet says spoken. 1441. We just need that freaking push, guys. God, it's just a matter of time. Look at Sen's short interest trade. Somebody's telling me over here about short interest on Sens. We'll pull it up on Ortex. Take a peek at what we got. A peeky weeky. Sensonics. Sens is shorted 63.9% utilization rate according to Ortex. We'll look at it on a different source. Take Fintel with a grain of salt. They don't report all short data from every exchange. They only take limited exchange short data, but it is looking like it has 3.3 million total short share availability. So nothing nuts. That's what we're looking at right now. Godzilla and Kong are AMC and GME. Mecha Godzilla is hedgy. Oh, baby, you know what it is. You know what it is. Big time. AMC and GME will fight in the beginning, but in the end, they will take down Godzilla. They'll take down Mecha Godzilla, which is hedgy. Take a look at RVP. See what Biox did yesterday. RVP. So I'm going to look at one of those. I want to be respectful to everybody. I only try to read one of these per person because I want to get to as many people as I can. RVP, to be honest with you, it's on a nice ascending level of support. This looks like a good swing opportunity. So you can take advantage of the massive swings, take profits on the top, restart at the bottom, right? That's the way that I would play it. There's always a opportunity to make money. So there you go, man. John Fields, can you still trade around Robinhood until the transfer is complete? If you have a margin account, you should be able to. Yes, from my understanding. Can you explain to a smooth brain how the order flow distribution chart works? Looking at AMC and only kind of getting it. So I gotta put this back up here. It got taken down for some reason. Order book, order flow, order entry. I want to see the order flow. I don't know where this is. I used to have it. Stocks, order flow. So this tells you how many buyers and sellers are stepping into AMC. So what do we have here? Inflow, outflow. Millions of dollars. I don't know if this is for AMC though, because that doesn't add up. 0.77 million US dollars, but we've had way more than that step into the game here. So I'm guessing that's not correct. Yeah, that doesn't make any sense at all. I want it up here. How do I get it up there? Frustrating. Frustration. I wish that I could show you, man, but it's not letting me use it. Let's see what we can do. Add a widget, order flow. Here we go. So I guess this is it, but that doesn't add up. That doesn't add up to me. I mean, look at this. The outflow is telling you how many millions of US dollars is flowing out, is coming out, and this tells you the inflow that's coming in million US dollars. But we've had way more volume than that, so that number doesn't even add up. Oh, that's for RVP. That would be why. Duh. All right, so order flow here makes more sense. 185 million US dollars has come in, 169 million has come out. So that's what you're looking at. That means there's more buyers than sellers right now. Means there's more buyers than sellers, and that would make sense because we have a pretty decent amount of green action right now, up 6% at 1437. A couple of large buy orders. You got 1.79% of those being large, medium at 32.89, small being 17.59. Not a lot of large sellers, a huge amount of medium sellers, and small sellers. So that's what you're looking at right now. That's the total breakdown of buy and sell orders, large and small that is coming into it. The majority of these being, I would say, medium buys and medium sells. So that's what you're looking at right now. Sitting at 1435. Yeah, that'd be it. That'd be it. I know it took me a minute. That took me a sec. We figured it out. We figured it out. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I'm a smooth brain ape. All right. I meant destroyed his brand. Sorry. Also knocked him hard. Yeah, I know what you meant, man. We got you. We helped you out. 14 puts being bought above the ask price. Large volume. 14 puts being bought above the ask price. You're buying puts on it? To each their own, man. I'm not personally going to be buying puts against AMC. I mean, if you look at the options breakdown, it's entirely up to you, but those 14 puts, you could end up making money there, but I think it's risky. I think it's risky for sure. If you want to play puts, you could do it at like 20, but I don't know. I would only do that if you're trying to hedge against your bet, you know? I'm not going to do it personally. Unless I'm misunderstanding you, I'm sorry if I am. Trey, the idea from moving from Robinhood is genius. How about a strategy to move 10 to 20% of holdings at a time to Webull in order to not miss any gains? What do you think? There you go, man. That's a move. And hey, I think I know a guy that's got a Webull link, by the way. It's pinned up in the comment section right there, the chat bar, if you want to check it out. You get 2 free stocks with a $100 deposit. I know that AMC, you do have a chance of getting that. So I have personally gotten, I think, 2 or 3 free shares of AMC. Pretty cool. It helps out the channel if you want to do that. That'd be immensely appreciated. If not, we're straight chilling, my friends. I'm straight vibing. It's all good. It's all Gucci. Where do you think SOS is going? I don't like SOS long term, but I do like them as a swing. I think it's got great swing potential. I've seen a couple people have commented on this in the chat bar. If you'd like to buy into it, it has run up a little bit already. There's risk involved. It might not continue. I mean, this is crazy growth. There's nothing guaranteed about the continuation here. But if you want to take a stab at it, what I would say is buy in on this ascending level of support. You can buy in at 842, 845 to 842, somewhere in that range. And then ride it up, have like a 5 to 10% trailing stop loss. And then if it pulls back, you only risk 10% of your investment. If it runs, you can make pretty good money. So that's the way that I would play it myself. That'd be the way. Only Gorillas sponsored by Subway. You know what it is. Not sponsored, but hey, if you guys want to